Hello team and welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are going to be learning how to identify and how to fix 404 pages on your website. If you remember from our last video, we shared how to find 404 pages on your website with free tools. As a website owner, you know that 404 errors can be a reoccurring issue. These broken links do not only frustrate visitors, but they also waste your site's crawl budget and affect your performance. Okay, so here is what we will be doing today. First, I will show you how to collect data on these 404 pages. Then, I'll explain the methods to fixing them. So, to find 404 pages, there are two main approaches. First, you can open your Google Search Console dashboard, and from the left-hand menu, you can go to Pages. After that, we're going to scroll down until we find the section that says 404 pages detected by Google. Here, you can review the list, open details for each URL, and export the data for further action. Once exported, you will have a clean data set of all your pages showing 404 errors. The second method is through settings in the Search Console section. So we clicked on settings, and now we're going to the crawl status. Next, select your main domain to view detailed crawl activity. As you can see here, 70% of my crawl budget is being wasted on 404 pages. You can open these URLs, download the data, and identify exactly which ones are causing these issues. So, these are two reliable ways to find 404 pages on your site. Now, let's move on to the second part of fixing your 404 errors. The first method is by using redirects. Let's say you created a page with the URL example.website/migration. Notice the spelling mistake here? Instead of migration, you're typing migration. This incorrect URL has been indexed by Google. Later, if you deleted that page or corrected the spelling, the old URL is still existent in Google's index. Now, whenever crawlers visit the old URL, it will return to a 404 error. To correct this, just simply correct the URL. For example, we can change this to the proper spelling of migration here and set up a permanent redirect. That way, both users and crawlers will be sent directly to the correct page instead of hitting a 404. That is called a 301 redirect. It's the best practice when pages have been renamed or moved. Always redirect old or incorrect URLs to the most relevant live page on your site so users don't get lost. This preserves traffic and ensures that you don't lose your search rankings. See, all we have to do here is submit the request, and then it will be fixed. Always redirect old or incorrect URLs to the most relevant live page. This preserves your traffic and ensures you don't lose any search engine rankings. Now, this second method is to use the removals tool in your Search Console. Under the removal section here, you can request for Google to stop showing outdated or broken URLs. Simply submit the 404 URLs in bulk, confirm the request, and Google will process them all for you. For example, here, you can see I have submitted some removal requests back in March. For example, you can see here I submitted some removal requests back in March. You can do the same for your own site whenever you need to clear up invalid URLs. So to recap there are two ways to find 404 errors on your website. You can go through the pages report or the crawl status in your Google Search Console. And then there are two ways to fix them, by setting up the 301 redirects or by using the removal tool in your Google Search Console. I hope this walkthrough helps you understand how to deal with 404 effectively. So thanks for watching, guys, and have a great day. Bye!